Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have some exciting stuff for you guys. I have a couple of pair of shoes, a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I'm going to talk about and review one of my most recent purchases. If you want to see what all I have in store for you guys, stick around. Before I get started, let me find my little helper. Here he is. And put him on 20. I try not to go over it, you guys. He's been doing his job. Sometimes I go a little bit over. But, you guys, I'm super excited to come up here and show you guys what I got in the mail. And you're going to want to try these out. So, let's go ahead and get started. I have had so many of you guys ask me to do a quick review on the Skims. And I got this pair, or this one in nude, and I also have a black one, and I'm wearing it under this little cami. And you guys, I love them. I cannot stand a traditional bra, and I absolutely love these. It's like I'd rather wear it than go without, and that's weird for me. But I really do love them, and they feel so comfortable. No wires whatsoever, nice and stretchy, and they definitely hold you up. So for reference, I did say that I'm a 36 double D, and I got an extra large. A large would have been way too tight. At first I almost got a large, but an extra large works for me, and it just feels really good, you guys. I love them, and I'm gonna go back and get some more colors. I also think they're really cute. Now I'm just gonna show you the top of it. I have it on under here. Okay, so I could wear this like under a really low dress. Sometimes you want to put something and have a little more coverage, or if the, if the dress is too much of a V, you could get different colors and like match it up with whatever it is you're wearing. Wear it under a blazer if you like to wear a blazer with no shirt under it and button it up and then have that pop of color sticking out. So these do offer a lot of support. So this is the first thing I've ever had from Skims, and I just want to let you guys know, for me, it's a 10 out of 10. I've told you guys this before. I get a lot of companies that reach out to me with all kinds of products. This is a company from Amazon, and the name of the shoe company is, I can't really pronounce it, Athleft, something like that, but this is the name of the shoe company. This is their logo. So these got a 4-star out of 5 review, almost 500 reviewers on these shoes. I'm going to open up the box, and they're in a little dust bag. And I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the dust bag and show you. And these shoes are so on trend right now. I've looked at shoes similar to these, and I really like this style. So the first pair of shoes that I chose are these. I just love the look of these. I love the color. Of course, they come in lots of different colors. These are not too tall. They have a block heel, which I absolutely love. There you go. And yeah, and kind of a square toe, which is on trend. Now, I don't like those really square toe shoes, but something like this I think is very flattering on the foot. And I bought a size 8. Okay, I just tried them on. I love them. I'm in love with these shoes. These are absolutely stunning. I have another pair. They didn't come in a box. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap these, and I'll be back. The next pair I got are called platform sandals, cork elastic strap. Okay, so you put these on, just slip them on, very stretchy. They've got the cork heel. I love the way they look from the back with the white heel. These are so pretty, and these do come in various different colors. These are a size 8. Wow, these got a 4-star review out of almost 4,000 reviewers. Let me show them to you up close. I love these, and I've never had any like these. I've seen some similar, and I know these are on trend, but these look absolutely comfortable, and they'll give me a little bit of height, which I need. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to give me a good 2 inches of height. These are a very versatile shoe. Of course, these are way more casual. which these are more my everyday vibe. I wanted to get the neutral or the nude color because I don't have a lot of shoes that color for some reason, but I really had room in my wardrobe for something like this because I have seen shoes similar. These are definitely on trend, but I wouldn't mind having a black pair because I know I would wear them a lot, and I may go ahead and order them. I'm really happy about the fact that I will get some height out of them. So these are gorgeous. So I am going to have both of these shoes linked in the description box below so you can check them out. And I'm really appreciative to this company for reaching out and working with me. I would love to work with you guys again. I'm not going to butcher the name, but again, this is the box, and that's the name of the company. All right, guys, so before the Louis Vuitton unboxing, I almost forgot about this. Look at this. I told you guys my mom was an artist. Well, this is something, although it may look quite amateur, this means the world to me. I was at her house the other day. We are going to start cleaning out her house. And I found this, and my grandmother wrote on the back of it, my mom painted this when she was 16 in 1954. And my mom's name, my mom went by Gail, but her name was Gayla. And her mom wrote on the back of it, I guess, you know, when she was getting older, she went around writing on the back of pictures and things in her home that she was going to give away to the family in case we wanted some of it. And this said, Gayla painted this picture, I think, in Mississippi. So they lived in Mississippi for a while. They left Detroit, moved to Mississippi, and then went back to Detroit. But anyway, it must have been during her time in Mississippi. It said around 1954. It said, if she wants this, give it to her. Signed, Rosaline Lacey, and that's my grandmother, and she wrote on the back of it. Now, this oil painting, and it is an oil painting, I can tell by the feel of it, I can just tell by looking at it, but some of it lifted because you're not supposed to put oil paintings and put glass over it. And I'm going to not change the painting at all, but what I'm going to do is glaze some green over areas like this. I'm going to color match and little spotted areas like that. And I asked my sister what did she think, and she thinks that I should do it. So I'm going to glaze the color over it, and then I'm going to have it reframed and hang it in my hall. But I'm so thrilled to have this. Long before I was born, my mom painted this. This was stuck in the very back of a linen closet. So anyway, guys, that's something my mom painted when she was a young girl. All right, the moment we have all been waiting for. Now, I opened up the box, but that's as far as I went with it. So here it is, another Louis Vuitton unboxing. Why do I say another? Well, I say another because I just unboxed this, and I love it, you guys. Okay, so here we are. Here we go. We won't dilly-dally anymore. I love this size box because it's perfect for, I don't know, to put jewelry and trinkets in. That's what I use them for. Oh, I just have them stacked up in my closet, actually. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Is it an SLG? You tell me. All right, here we go. I don't know if you'll be surprised or not, but oh my gosh. You guys, bam, bam, right? I told you I wanted to add more azure in my life, and I wanted the small one with the snap. So I'll have to go on Etsy and get something, and I also want to get hot stamped my initials. So you guys, I finally got it. So now I have the two agendas that I want, or wanted. I've got the small one and the large, and I am in heaven, you guys. So happy to have these. When I travel, I always take my agenda with me. It's pretty heavy, but I'm lost without it. And I love to keep things in my purse where I can, you know, write things down when I need to and keep up with things. Like I explained to you guys, I have to write things down. Now, this one doesn't have a pen holder, but that's okay. I don't guess any of them do. This one was made in France. Not that it really matters to me, but in a way it's kind of cool. I will spray this with Apple Guard. I love Apple Guard. I'm not telling you to do it, but I love Apple Guard. I've never had a moment's problem with my Artsy, my big Artsy that's in Azure. So I definitely will protect this, but I'm so happy. So now I have to go on Etsy and find a little something to go inside. And then next year I'll probably just get the refill from Louis Vuitton because, again, what? I'm bougie like that. I just enjoy it, you guys. I love stationery and things like that. I guess, I don't know if it's just the artist in me or just the bouginess in me or what it is, but whatever it is, you guys, I don't apologize. I love it. So these are the 2 new additions to my Louis Vuitton family, and these will definitely get used like crazy. And if you like to write things down as much as I do, then, you know, I highly suggest these. I'll try to find some at a good discount, but even on the Louis Vuitton website, which is where I got this, I think it's about 400 and something. It's not that bad, you guys. This was about a 2 or 3 a.m. purchase. I thought I'm just biting the bullet and I'm gonna buy it, and I'm so happy that I got it. So look behind me. You see that? It's still for sale. $100. So I'm gonna put it in my community post. If I don't sell it, I'll probably put it on Poshmark because $100, you guys, that's the cutest little thing. Somebody needs it. All right, so really that is all I have. I have a huge surprise coming up in about 3 weeks. I'm not gonna let the cat out the bag. No, I'm not. There's a couple of people here on YouTube that are privy to this information, but I'm just gonna leave you with a little cliffhanger. I may or may not be traveling somewhere, and I may or may not be doing a vlog in about 2 or 3 weeks. So, but anyway, you guys, big things are happening here on YotaStyle. If you haven't subscribed, I urge you to subscribe. Join my fam jam here, you guys. We have so much fun. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'll see you guys very, very soon. And you guys take care. I love you all so much. Peace.